Hi there, welcome. If you're new, thanks so much for visiting my channel. I'm Heidi. Please take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. If you're returning, I really appreciate your support. So this video I want to dedicate it to the Bhatia family of New Delhi, India, especially Yashi and Deepi. Hope you girls remember our Pulorie and beach outings. They requested I do this video. Trini Phulorie is a fun snack and finger food, and in this video I'm showing you how I make it. So gather up all the ingredients listed in the description box and let's get to it. For the Phulorie batter, add the flour, split peas powder, yeast, sugar, salt, hardi powder, and mix to incorporate everything. Make a well in the middle and add a little bit of water at a time and mix properly to avoid any lumps. When you have a nice stiff batter, not a dough, stop mixing. You can grab some of the batter and see if it forms a small ball like I'm doing here. Once it does, cover and let it rest for about 10 minutes or longer. While the Pulorie batter is resting, I wanted to show you these bad boys. I got these from Navin of Sangre Grande. Hey Navin, thanks so much. It's called Amrac here in Trinidad, but it's known by various names such as Birambi in Suriname. Our friends in Guyana call it Phulorie, and rightfully so. Its scientific name is Avaroa bilimbi, and it's family to the carambola or five fingers fruit. It has numerous health benefits, but of course, when used in moderation, you can do your own research. It smells really nice like the five fingers and has small seeds inside. The green ones has a crunchy texture and the yellowish ones are a bit soft. This fruit grows in clusters on a tree. It's actually very sour and highly acidic, so it's used a lot as a pickle or achar or some form of preserve. But today I'm making a boiled chutney with it to go with our Pulorie. So I've went ahead and washed and chopped up about 2 cups of the bilimbi and added it to a saucepan. Blend all the ingredients for the seasonings and pour it over the bilimbi. Put to boil. Add the salt and sugar to taste. You might notice that the sugar seems a lot, and that is because the bilimbi is so sour and highly acidic. So the best way to gauge how much salt and sugar you need is to add a small amount and then do a taste test and adjust accordingly. Boil until tender. You can mash a few on the inside of the pot to test. This will also thicken up the sauce. Turn off the heat. Back to our Pulorie. So heat a pot with oil for deep frying. Keep the heat on medium. Uncover the batter and give it a good mix. Now I'm doing this the traditional way, so keep a small bowl of water for easy access. You're going to dip your fingers in the water and then pick up a bit of batter and drop it into the hot oil. Be careful not to get burned, okay? Do not let the oil get too hot, otherwise the Pulories will burn on the outside and the inside will be uncooked. When you add the pylorys, using your jarna or slotted spoon, give them a little roll around so that they get a nice even color. Remove from the oil and drain on paper towels or brown paper. Repeat until all the batter is fried. Phulorie is a nice snack or appetizer or finger food, and as you can see, it's basically fried dough. So it's definitely something to have in moderation if you're counting calories, and of course, if you're watching your cholesterol level because it's deep fried. Serve with your favorite chutney such as mango, tamarind, or as we say, tambran in Trinidad, pomsite, or golden apple. And well, in this case, I'm using the Amrac chutney that I just made. Hope you guys learned something today. Give me a thumbs up, share, and leave your feedback down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon in the next video.